Chapter 1 Episode 3 Classic Caillou pulls a fire alarm / grounded.
Why I have to be in school? Wait a second, I got an idea. What is it? So, to get me out of school, I'm going to pull the fire alarm. What? No! Even if you pull it, you will be in deep trouble. No Caillou, there's no cameras in this school. Classic Caillou, you're going to get in trouble. You know what? If the teacher comes in, I'm going to ask to use the bathroom, that way I can pull the fire alarm. Okay, bet, you're still going to get in trouble.
Hello class, today is Tuesday, for school lunch there will be spaghetti.
Miss Martin, can I use the bathroom?
Sure Classic Caillou, but be quick, we are going to start math.
Okay, now to pull the fire alarm.
Class, that's the fire alarm, evacuate. Wait a minute, did you pull the fire alarm?
No, I found it this way.
Classic Caillou, get in the line quickly, this is a fire drill.
Okay.
Classic Caillou, are you sure you didn't pull it?
No ma'am, when I left the bathroom, the fire alarm was pulled down.
Okay, we will see who did it.
When the police arrived.
Okay little one, someone pulled the fire alarm, and you're going to place your hand in my scanner. It's going to detect your fingerprints. Okay. You're good to go, you may go back to class. Hand here please. You're good to go, you may go back to class. I need your hand here, I don't have much time left. You're good to go, you may go back to class. Why are you standing up? Because. Wait a minute, you're acting suspicious? Did you pull the fire alarm? No, when I got out of the bathroom, the fire alarm was pulled down. Then proceed to sit down and put your hand here. Son of a... I am so screwed. Now place hand for proof. We don't got to do this? Come on. I don't got much time left. Okay? Sorry! How dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it, I'm telling the teacher. Go home now.
When Classic Caillou got home.
Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it, you're grounded. Go to bed now.
Wow.